Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring watches that collectors around the world genuinely regret not buying earlier. These aren't just popular models, they're timepieces that quietly became legends, skyrocketing in value, becoming incredibly hard to find, or simply proving how timeless exceptional design can be. You'll find links in the description for current availability and pricing. Let's dive in. Number 10, Grand Seiko SBGA 211 Snowflake. This watch proves that regret isn't exclusive to European luxury brands. The beautifully textured dial resembles freshly fallen snow, paired with a revolutionary spring drive movement and lightweight titanium case. It's an absolute masterpiece of modern watchmaking. When first released, many buyers underestimated it, dismissing it as just another Seiko. Over time, collectors discovered the genius of its hybrid movement technology, the mesmerizing dial texture, and the exceptional finishing quality that rivals any Swiss luxury watch. Its elegance combined with mechanical innovation made it a modern icon. Limited availability in many regions increased demand significantly, and those who waited now face elevated secondary market prices, realizing they missed owning not just a watch, but a stunning combination of art, engineering, and timeless design that few others can match. Number 9. Breitling Navitimer. This is one of the most iconic pilot chronographs ever created, perfectly demonstrating why hesitating leads to regret. Originally designed for aviators, it features a highly functional slide rule bezel, complex dial layout, and precise automatic movement. For years it was available at relatively reasonable prices, but many buyers dismissed it as overly technical or cluttered. Over time, appreciation for its aviation history, functionality, and distinctive aesthetics skyrocketed, with vintage models becoming highly sought-after collector favorites. The Navitimer communicates heritage and expertise on the wrist like few others can. Those who waited too long now face scarcity and significantly higher prices. The regret is both financial and emotional missing. The opportunity to own a legendary pilot's watch early is something many enthusiasts remember with deep disappointment. Number 8. IWC Portugieser Chronograph. This watch is a testament to timeless elegance and mechanical precision, and why buyers often regret not acting sooner. Its large, clean dial with elegant Arabic numerals, precise chronograph functionality, and beautifully proportioned case created the perfect balance of sophistication and practicality. Initially, some buyers hesitated because it lacked the aggressive sportiness of other chronographs, viewing it as too understated. Over the years, however, its simplicity and versatility proved unmatched, making it a favorite among discerning collectors and enthusiasts alike. Limited production runs and the brand's reputation for exceptional finishing quality drove secondary market demand steadily upward. Those who delayed purchasing now realize they missed the opportunity to own a watch that combines class, precision, and everyday wearability in a single package, a timepiece that only grows in admiration over time. Number 7. Panerai Luminor Marina. This watch exemplifies why unique design and historical connection create lasting regret when overlooked. Its distinctive cushion-shaped case, oversized crown guard, and minimalist dial are instantly recognizable and full of character. Originally designed for Italian Navy divers, it combined military functionality with bold design elements that stood out dramatically. Many buyers didn't initially see its potential beyond a niche military watch market. Over time, the Luminor Marina became a collector's favorite for its robust movement, commanding wrist presence, and unmistakable aesthetic that's impossible to confuse with anything else. Limited production and growing global demand have made early models highly desirable and increasingly difficult to find. Those who passed on it years ago now regret missing a watch that's both visually striking and mechanically reliable, proving that recognizing iconic design early can make a world of difference. Number 6. Tag Heuer Carrera Calibre 16. This watch is a prime example of style-meeting function, and why so many collectors regret not buying it earlier. Initially introduced as a racing-inspired chronograph, it offered precise timing, a robust automatic movement, and a design that beautifully balanced sportiness with elegance. Many buyers overlooked it in favor of flashier or more expensive chronographs, assuming it was just another mid-range option without significant collector potential. Over the years, the Carrera Calibre 16 gained a strong reputation for durability, versatility, and growing collector appeal. Its classic dial layout, bold hands, and clear chronograph counters stood the test of time brilliantly, and special editions became highly sought after. Today, early models are increasingly rare, with prices climbing steadily on the secondary market. The regret comes from missing out on a watch that perfectly balanced style, racing heritage, and mechanical excellence, while remaining surprisingly accessible at the time. Number 5. Seiko SKX07. Regret doesn't only exist in luxury watches, and this one proves it perfectly. Affordable, rugged, and incredibly well-built, it became a cult favorite among enthusiasts for its reliability and classic dive watch proportions. Its automatic movement, ISO-certified dive rating, and straightforward design made it a perfect daily wearer and entry point into mechanical watches. Many buyers assumed it would always be available at that accessible price point. When Seiko discontinued it, secondary market prices doubled or even tripled, and availability became genuinely scarce. Collectors realized that even budget-friendly watches can transform into legends if production ends and demand persists. The regret is crystal clear. Those who didn't purchase it early missed owning a durable, affordable, and truly iconic timepiece that captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide and defined an entire category. Number 4. Patek Philippe Nautilus. This watch represents a legendary case of initial skepticism transforming into extreme desire. When launched, its sleek steel design and integrated bracelet were considered unconventional by collectors accustomed to traditional round dress watches. Despite initial resistance, the combination of elegance, sportiness, and impeccable finishing quickly proved its brilliance. Discontinuations, extremely limited production, and exponentially growing demand caused prices to surge dramatically. Today, it's one of the most sought-after watches in the entire world. Many people now look back and deeply regret not trusting the design and the brand's visionary approach, realizing that early ownership would have meant holding an absolute icon at a price now considered an incredible bargain in hindsight. Beyond monetary regret, there's a profound emotional component. Owning a Nautilus early would have been the ultimate collector's achievement and conversation piece. Number 3. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. When this watch debuted, it challenged every preconception about luxury timepieces. A stainless steel watch with a price normally reserved for precious metals, featuring sharp angular lines, an integrated bracelet, and prominently exposed bezel screws, it was daring and completely unprecedented. Many collectors admired it but didn't fully appreciate its revolutionary significance at the time. Over the years, the Royal Oak became one of the most influential watch designs of the modern era. Its integrated bracelet and unique octagonal case shape set trends that persist strongly today. Scarcity combined with skyrocketing demand made it a serious blue-chip collector's item. Many who hesitated back then now regret it profoundly, as even entry-level models command prices that were absolutely unimaginable when it first released. Owning one earlier would have meant securing a genuine piece of horological history that fundamentally reshaped the entire luxury watch industry. Number 2. Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch. This watch has one of the strongest historical backgrounds of any timepiece ever created. Chosen by NASA after rigorous testing, it became the first watch worn on the moon, earning its legendary nickname, Honestly. For decades, it remained relatively accessible compared to other iconic watches, which led many people to delay their purchase indefinitely. The manual winding movement, classic chronograph layout, and tool watch roots caused some to overlook it in favor of more modern or flashy designs. Over time, Omega improved the movement, refined the case, and strengthened the compelling story behind it. Collectors increasingly appreciated its profound connection to human achievement and space exploration. As prices climbed and older references became more desirable, many realized that waiting was a mistake they simply couldn't undo. The regret isn't just about missed financial opportunity, it's about not owning a piece of genuine history that witnessed humanity's greatest adventure. Number 1. Rolex Submariner. This watch represents perhaps the most common regret in the entire watch collecting community. Years ago, it was seen as a straightforward professional dive watch, designed primarily for reliability rather than status or hype. The stainless steel oyster case, rotating bezel, and highly legible dial made it perfect for daily wear, not just underwater use. Over time, demand increased dramatically as more people recognized how versatile and genuinely timeless the design truly is. Rolex maintained strict production control, which slowly pushed availability lower and prices significantly higher. Many buyers remember seeing it readily available at authorized dealers and deciding to wait, assuming it would always be there when they were ready. Today, waiting lists can stretch for years, and resale prices are often far above original retail pricing. The regret comes from realizing that nothing about the watch changed dramatically, yet its status, desirability, and value transformed completely.